How DISC and emotional intelligence connect. Organizations that embrace behavioral change can rapidly improve their workplace culture, increase employee engagement, and boost bottom-line results. How? The DiscFlow model has been purposely designed to turbocharge this process by taking the tried and tested DISC behavioral model and combining it with the power of emotional intelligence to help people tap into their strengths and build better, stronger, and more productive relationships. A person's level of emotional intelligence is assumed to be the factor which enables how well they control their behavior. It's also acknowledged that a person with high levels of emotional intelligence is better able to manage the demands of the environment they find themselves in. Emotionally intelligent leaders interact more effectively with their people and gain more respect. As a result, team members become more motivated and engaged in their role. Organizational culture also improves as people begin to develop greater empathy for one another. DiscFlow assessed employees become more effective at dealing with customers as well, thanks to their evolving self-knowledge and understanding toward the needs of others. The most vital cerebral activity comes from the frontal lobe of the brain, the control panel. The frontal lobe is where we solve problems, make decisions, and notably, it's also where impulse control takes place. On the other side, the limbic system creates our fight-or-flight response that makes us act on impulse. Sometimes acting on impulse might produce good outcomes, such as instinctively saving someone else's life without first assessing the risks. But on the flip side, non-thinking, reactive behavior can be problematic when we communicate with others. The DiscFlow model introduces a positive effect by increasing a person's ability to control these impulses. The results help people to understand themselves and be more accepting of others. People who demonstrate higher levels of EI are more likely to respond rather than react, listen rather than interrupt, and avoid becoming defensive in the face of feedback. They also become more positive, motivated, and cultivate an environment of acceptance towards others. DiscFlow assessments can be used by anyone in an organization to help define roles and responsibilities, enabling people to thrive and build more effective relationships with their colleagues. DiscFlow, where knowledge and skills combine.